In a video game as detailed and awesome as Red Dead Redemption 2, there may still be some mechanics that might get on your nerves a little bit. For me, this is particularly with the case of skinning animals when you're out hunting for them. However, there's a pretty clever trick that you can use in order to drastically reduce the time that it takes to skin any of your prey. To show you how you can do this, let me just find some animals to hunt. After killing 2 deers, let me go over to the first one and try to skin this without using any special technique. Now, as you can see, it takes about 16 seconds just to skin a deer, and this time may increase drastically if you're hunting a larger animal. Now, let me go over to the second one and just place my horse in such a way that one of its body part is being stepped on by the horse. After this, just get down and start skinning, and you will be able to do it in 6 seconds or less. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to skin animals much faster on Red Dead Redemption 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.